Be sure to cook. Hi, and welcome back to Be Sure to Cook. Today we're going to be doing meatball subs, but we're going to do everything homemade. So hey guys, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, today we're going to be cutting on some green pepper and onion. Okay, now I'm going to peel my onion and I'm going to cut it. Well, I've already peeled it, now I'm cutting it. Already rinsed, and my onions and my green peppers, I'm going to take a little of regular sea salt and I'm just going to sprinkle a little of garlic, of not like even 1/4 teaspoon of chopped garlic. I'm going to take a half teaspoon of fennel seeds that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to toast these fennel seeds just a little. All right, these have been nice and toasty, and I'm just going to put these on some aluminum foil. Okay, I got a half teaspoon of olive oil. And this is a half teaspoon of my tomato paste. Get that going. We got some crushed tomatoes here. Some chopped tomatoes. Some tomato puree. A big can of tomato puree. So I got some cracked black pepper. I'm putting in here a whole teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of Mrs. Dash, a teaspoon of paprika, and just let this baby cook down for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, we're going to be using 1 pound of ground beef, and we're going to be also using Italian sausage, or you can just use pork sausage, ground pork sausage. A teaspoon of margin leaves, herb Provence, and these will all be on the bottom of your screen. Half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon oregano leaves, and half teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon meat tenderizer, no salt. Taste our regular already cracked pepper. Once again, of chopped garlic. Half teaspoon of those fennel seeds. A cup of Italian breadcrumb seasoning. Start to make all of this come together. Got these Italian link sausage that I got. Okay, that's 4 Italian sausage that I've got inside. I'm mixing this with the hamburger. Okay, I cut a piece. I got a block of Monterey Jack cheese. Okay, let's get these rolled up and ready. I did put the parsley inside, and you can see the green specks of the parsley. It just makes it look pretty. And I'm picking up, a small amount of the meat that I rolled, and I'm going to roll this up like a little meatball. Then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to stick it maybe about halfway through, and I'm going to open that up like a little hole. See that? Then I'm going to take my cheese, right? I'm going to stick my cheese inside of there, and I'm going to cover that up again, and I'm going to roll it, make sure it's really covered, and I'm going to keep rolling this until it becomes the perfect meatball. All right, Now I've already rolled out the meatballs and put them into our pre-glass pan that's already been sprayed with non-stick spray. These are the green peppers and onions and the garlic and stuff that I put in there, just a little bit of that. I'm putting this into a hot skillet. Okay, my meatballs are done and I'm sticking them into the sauce that I had made. I'm going to cut halfway inside my roll bun here. You know, this is going to be my bottom part and this is going to be my top. All right, on here I'm going to add, I have some mozzarella shredded cheese that I'm going to put at the bottom of this. Great mozzarella shred. And I'm going to put these, toast these in the oven. I'm going to do both of them like that. And I'm going to toast these on maybe a medium low heat, and I want to put them on broil. I don't want to put them on bake. I want to put it on broil because I just want to melt that cheese. And I'm thinking about, I'm going to add some olive oil on top of that, on the top part. I'm putting some Monterey Jack. Well, you can use the Monterey Jack is inside the meatballs, or you can use mozzarella. So I'm using both. I'm using the mozzarella for the ending of these, and then I'm going to take some extra virgin olive oil, just a little, and I'm just going to drizzle a little of the virgin olive oil. Oops, not that much. Well, yeah, I do, and I just want to kind of like spread it. No, just a little. And I'm going to hold this, and I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of that on there, like so. Holding that because I don't have a little drizzle thing, which I'm going to get one. And I'm going to pop these on broil, on low broil, and watch the cheese melt and that toast up nice and toasty, and we'll get that out. Okay, they're right out of the oven. They've been toasted nice and golden, buttered brown. And if you don't have olive oil, you can also take butter and put some butter on there and have butter toast, and then put the bread. Okay, so let's put the meatballs on. Now here it is, my meatballs, and I'm just gonna plate one on a sandwich, two. I think they take about 3 to 4 meatballs, probably about 3, but we're gonna try to put 4 on here to make it look good. Then we're gonna add that sauce right on over it. Oops, got a little bit on my plate there. All right. Okay, and here you go. Homemade meatballs on a sub sandwich. And this is cheese. Cheese oozing out. And to top it all off, we're gonna add some more of cheese to top it all off. And there we go. There we go. Cheese to top it all off. Here you go. A meatball sub. This is Italian meatball sub, and you made it with me. So hey guys, I love when you all come and we make wonderful food together. Please like, subscribe, and share to our YouTube channel. Come back so we can make more wonderful food. Hey, love you all. See you next time. Bye.